Hello dear students. At last class we have studied about the differentiation of different type of the functions. Like that we have studied the differentiation of composite function, how to differentiate composite function, how to differentiate explicit matlab functions, and how to differentiate implicit functions. Also we have learned how to differentiate functions using log method. But today we will discuss how to differentiate parametric functions. Means सबसे पहले हम ये सीखेंगे कि what are parametric functions, how to differentiate them. Second one, also we will learn how to differentiate. Further differentiation means how to find higher derivative of functions. Okay, तो देखिए, let's we start. पहले हम ले लेते हैं यहाँ पे अपना पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन अराइज हियर कि विच इक्वेशंस आर कॉल्ड पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन. तो देखिए, any equation which is in form of x equals to like that, y equals to ft and x equals to gt, where variable is what? That is variable is t. Such equations are called parametric equation. Point to be noted, here t variable is not fixed. Variable may be vary according to the equation. कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. But ध्यान देना, पॉइंट नोटेड वाली बात ये है कि y इक्वल टू एफ टी, यहाँ पे t की जगह पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. x इक्वल टू जी टी में यहाँ पे दोनों का जो वेरिएबल होगा वो सेम होगा. ऐसी इक्वेशंस को हम पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन कहते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन, फर्स्टली वी विल डिफरेंशिएट y फंक्शन विद रेस्पेक्ट टू वेरिएबल t एंड वी विल फाइंड हियर dy अपॉन dt. In the same way, here now we will differentiate function x with a variable t and we will get dx upon dt. But our target is to find dy upon dx. This is why we can say that dy upon dx will be equals to dy upon dt dot dt upon dx. Point to be noted, this is so most important formula to find the derivative of such parametric equation. In this formula, point to be noted, dt upon dx is just a reciprocal of dx upon dt. dt upon dx is reciprocal of dx upon dt. Like that, हम कुछ ले लेते हैं. जैसे सपोज करते हैं कि y इक्वल हमने ले लिया 84 एंड x इक्वल टू हमने ले लिया 80 स्क्वायर, ठीक है. These both are parametric equation. Okay, now let's to find dy upon dx. Then to find dy upon dx, firstly we will differentiate y with respect to t. Then we will get dy upon dx equals to what? It will becomes equals to 480 cube. And similarly we will find dx upon dt. Then how can then dx upon dt will equals to of 280. Okay, since our target is to find dy upon dx and dy upon dx equals to dy upon dt dot dt upon dx equals to what? Here dy upon dt equals to 480 cube and dt upon dx is what? Dt upon dx is just a reciprocal of dx upon dt. And what is the reciprocal of 280? It will be equals to upon 2a. 2 2 जा 4, a से a कैंसिल, तो और यहाँ पे t से t कैंसिल, आंसर आ जाता है 2t स्क्वायर. Hence 2t square is the derivative of this parametric equation with respect to variable t. Okay, now you can find also derivative of any parametric equations having any variable. Like that we have यहाँ पे variable क्या रखा है, हमने t रखा हुआ है. Okay, और देखते हैं कुछ. अब क्या है, Like that we have second question, y equals to sin square theta and x equals to हमने कह दिया let we have cos theta. Okay, obviously this is what? This is parametric equation which is in form of theta. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे? To find differentiation of this parametric equation, parametric equation, and our target is to find dy upon dx. Since this is parametric equation and our target is to find dy upon dx, then dy upon dx is what? Dy upon dx equals to dy upon, here theta is a variable, dy upon d theta dot d theta upon dx. Then firstly what? We have to calculate dy upon d theta using this equation. Okay, then y equals to we have sin square theta, differentiating this y with respect to theta, then it is dy upon d theta equals to derivative of sin square theta. Sin square theta is a composite function of two different function. Number one is sin theta and second one is squaring function, and its derivative equals to 2 sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Similarly, we will differentiate function x with respect to theta. Okay, and we have x equals to cos theta. Differentiating x with respect to theta, what become? Dx upon d theta equals to, it will minus sin theta. But our target is to find dy upon d theta, then it will equals to dy upon d theta. Let's substitute the values of dy upon d theta and dx upon d theta in this formula. Then what we get? We get 2 sin theta cos theta upon minus sin theta. ठीक है, sin theta से sin theta cancel, then dy upon d theta की वैल्यू आ जाती है -2 cos theta. This is the derivative of this given parametric equation. In this manner, we can find out the derivative of the any function. It may be either parametric, implicit function, explicit function, inverse, trigonometric function, or it may be composite function. But next, now we will learn how to find higher derivative. Higher derivative means dy upon dx is called first order derivative of any function. Dy upon dx means first order derivative of the function. Now if we differentiate again dy upon dx, now if we differentiate again dy upon dx, then this is called second derivative of the function. Okay, look. Here we are studying what? Higher derivative. Suppose we have y equals to fx. Here function is y and variable x. So now let's differentiate this function with respect to x. Then this is called dy upon dx equals to derivative of fx. And derivative of fx is let it is f dash x. This is dy upon dx. This dy upon dx is known by first order derivative of this function y equals to fx. Okay, first order derivative. Okay, it can also be represented or denoted by y1. y1 also फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. ठीक है, यानी dy अपॉन dx को हम इससे भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और इसको हम y डैश से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आप चाहे y1 बोलिए, चाहे y डैश बोलिए, चाहे dy अपॉन dx बोलिए, चाहे f डैश x कहिए, इन सभी का मीनिंग क्या बनता है? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. नाउ suppose we want to again differentiate this function dy upon dx. ठीक है, then what means? We are again differentiating derivative of dy upon dx equals to derivative of f dash x. Okay, now again differentiation of dy upon dx is called second derivative. ठीक है, और we can say it d2y upon dx square equals to f double dash x. इसको हम कहेंगे सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. ठीक है, इसको हम y2 या फिर y डबल डैश से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. कोई भी क्वेश्चन है अब, नाउ यू कैन फाइंड इन इजी वे either it's a second derivative, third derivative, it may be any type of the higher derivative, like that. Like that, y equals to e की power ax. Okay, now look, it's a first order derivative. First ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, इसका मीनिंग मैंने बताया था आपको, dy अपॉन dx और ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंटेड बाई y1 और y डैश और f डैश x. ओके, देन dy अपॉन dx इक्वल्स टू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e रेज टू ax इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? तो हम कह देंगे dy अपॉन dx इक्वल्स टू आ जाता है a डॉट e रेज टू ax. Okay, this is the first derivative of this function. Now we want to also find second derivative of this function. Then how can we find out? Then look, derivative of again first derivative, and first derivative is dy upon dx equals to derivative of a dot e raised to ax. क्या बन जाएगा? a square dot e raised to ax. This is called d2y upon dx square. This is the second derivative. Similarly, if we have wish to find out third derivative, then to find out third derivative of this function, we have to differentiate its second derivative. And if we want to find out fourth derivative of this function, then we have to differentiate its third derivative function. Okay, if we differentiate fifth order of any function, then we will get sixth derivative of that function. Okay, in the same way, if we differentiate n minus 1 order of derivative of any function, then we will get nth derivative of that function. इसी तरह से कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, सपोज कीजिए जैसे कि दिस इज आवर सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव एंड वी विश टू कैलकुलेट इट्स थर्ड डेरिवेटिव, देन इट विल इक्वल्स टू means what? We have to differentiate its one more time second derivative function. Then it will equals to what? देखिए, derivative of d2y upon dx square, and it is what? It is a square e raised to ax, in which a square is constant. Then derivative of a square को रख दिया हमने constant, e raised to ax, और इसका अगेन डेरिवेटिव क्या बनेगा? इसका बनेगा a स्क्वायर मल्टीपल a डॉट e रेज टू ax और a क्यूब e रेज टू ax. In this way, we can find out higher derivative of any function. Okay, dear student, आज हमने ये पढ़ा कि how to find out derivative of the functions. Tomorrow in next class, we will use this concept to find higher derivative. So, thank you.